Hey guys, my name is Tariana. I am the tarot reader. Thank you for taking your time out for clicking on this video. As you seen by today's title, we just finna get into the tea about the crystal must-haves that I definitely would recommend into your crystal collection if you are a crystal girly like me. Or a crystal girly or a spiritual girl like me. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the tea. So let's get into the tea, okay, period. So if you see me looking down, you already know the girl is looking at the notes because the girl be getting off track. So the first crystal I want to talk about is this selenite. This selenite crystal right here. You can get yours in a wand, you can get yours shaved, you can get yours raw if not, but mine's look like that. It's like the crown chakra symbol on top of it. But basically, selenite helps remove negative energy and helps cleanse your aura. It is also known for its healing properties and helping you cleanse like all of your chakras. So I would recommend using selenite for like having selenite underneath your pillow, or having selenite in your crystal collection, having it on your altar or your ancestor altar or your personal altar, however you want to do it. But like, I would definitely recommend having selenite underneath your pillow when you go to sleep, because it helps remove the negative energy, and also it illuminates. I want to know if that's the right word for that, but it also helps like give out like the positive energy and the whole healing energy and stuff like that. So that's what selenite is used for, and its properties. So yeah, on to the next. The next crystal I would recommend is citrine. I have one that is raw, and I also have one that is like not raw. So citrine crystal is definitely used. It helps you boost your confidence. It helps you boost your confidence, your strength, your willpower, and your overall happiness. It's also used for manifestation, financial abundance, and financial opportunities, pretty much. If you are manifesting, I definitely would recommend using your citrine crystal and things like that, especially if you're like doing the 3-6-9 method of manifestation and stuff like that, and you write it in your journal. Definitely would recommend adding this on top of your journal, your manifestation journal, or writing with this using your manifestation journal and stuff like that. It would just add a little bit to your manifestations, and stuff like that. So we're gonna go on and get into the next crystal. The next crystal we have right here is amethyst. Amethyst helps you connect with your higher self, stress relieves, protection, and dispose of negative energy. You can use this to help. You can use amethyst to help connect with your spiritual get intuitive and with more of your spiritual side. I don't know why I cannot speak. It helps you, like, it basically protects you from negative energy and stuff like that. Like, it pushes the negative energy away. It also helps you, like, with, I wouldn't say clear thinking, but pretty much, yeah. My amethyst is like a raw one. This is what it's look like. So, and it helps you connect with, your spiritual side of yourself. Okay, and the next crystal we're gonna get into is called blue kyanite. This is what it looks like. Hold on. This is what blue kyanite look like. It's like all the blue kyanite that I've seen so far been looking like a little blade. I don't know what's going on with that. I thought you can, how like the citrine, like how it's like shaped into something like that. I thought blue kyanite could be something like that, but no, that's not the case. Majority of the blue kyanite I seen was like this little stick thing. But blue kyanite, it helps you with communication and speaking. It helps you with communication, speaking, and living in your truth. It's also used for like help expressing your creativity and stuff like that. I feel like this is one great for your throat chakra, because like that's what it is. It's blue, and it's also like it helps with overall expression and communication and tapping into your creative side and stuff like that. So I definitely would recommend having blue kyanite in your crystal collection. Another OG that I want to recommend is black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is definitely the OG for protection, like the GOAT for protecting yourself from any negative energies and stuff like that. Like, they stand in your way, bounce back like a boomerang. Like, it ain't definitely it's just good for protection in general. Like, black tourmaline is definitely good for protection. So the next stone I want to get into is called red jasper. Red jasper helps with healing, abundance, and grounding. This is used for taking action and keeping your physical health intact. So chakra, and get some grounding techniques and stuff like that. Definitely pick you some red jasper up. The next crystal we finna get into is called carnelian. Carnelian definitely helps you with abundance, prosperity, and ambition. This is a good crystal that you can use for emotional balance and help you clear out emotional stagnancy, and also helps you tap into your emotional side. So get you some carnelian. You know, it's good to tap into your emotional side every once in a while, just to feed into the good parts of you. You know, it's good to nurture yourself. The next crystal I want to get into is called clear quartz. Clear quartz is definitely, let me see. Clear quartz helps with healing, clarity, and creativity, and it's also used for cleansing and amplifying any other crystal. Like, if I want to use this in my meditation, I can meditate with this in all of my chakras because it's clear quartz. It's not tied to it's not tied to one specific chakra, but you can definitely use clear quartz for anything. You can set your attention with clear quartz doing anything. And you can use clear quartz to also amplify the energies of any other crystals that you're working with too, just to boost it and stuff like that. So that's another good thing I like about clear quartz. We finna get into smoky quartz. Smoky quartz helps with stabilizing, grounding, and overcoming negative emotions. It's also used for a protective stone. It's used for a protective stone and also a good remover and detoxifier from negative emotions. Rose quartz is known for self-love, self-affection, self-acceptance, and self-understanding. Like, pretty much, like, if you want to love yourself more and pour into your own self-love and stuff like that, pick you up some rose quartz to attract that type of love in your life. I also feel like you can use this. You can also use this for healing past traumas, healing past traumas and healing past heartbreaks and stuff like that. So if you trying to like intuitively write a note, write a journal, or if you're intuitively writing to yourself about some past traumas that you're trying to heal from, that you try to release yourself out of and stuff like that, pick you up some rose quartz, you know, and stuff like that to help, you know, boost your energy when it comes to you trying to heal yourself from past heartbreaks and stuff like that. So, okay. And moonstone is definitely a good crystal. It's used for, it helps boost your intuition and your psychic abilities. So that's pretty much what we can use moonstone for. And yeah, so thank you guys for taking your time out for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions about any of these crystals, go ahead and leave a comment below. And thank you for taking your time out for watching this video. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Stay blessed. Peace and blessings to you guys.